Questioning the Universe. Stephen Hawking. Stephen William Hawking, who was born in 1942 and who died in 2018, was an English theoretical physicist, cosmologist, and the Lucasian professor of mathematics at Cambridge. He authored The Universe in a Nutshell in 2001 and A Brief History of Time in 2005. When he was doing his graduation at Cambridge, he was diagnosed with the motor neuron disease that gradually paralyzed him within a decade. After the loss of speech, he communicated through a speech generating device. In the beginning, through the use of a handled switch, and at the end, by using a single cheek muscle. Hawking was the first to set out a theory of cosmology explained by a union of the general theory of relativity and quantum mechanics. Questioning the Universe is a TED talk of Stephen Hawking, where he answers the questions that need answers from an authentic person like him. How did the universe come into being? Where did we come from? Are we alone in the universe? Is there alien life out there? What is the future of the human race? His answers are based on his scientific insights and a theoretical framework. Until 1920s, everyone thought the universe was essentially unchanging in time. Then we came to find that the universe was expanding. The distant galaxies that were close to us billions of years ago moved away from us. Actually, this was the Big Bang, the beginning of the universe. The universe expanded from the initial state of high density and temperature 13.77 billion years ago. As general relativity and quantum theory allow time to behave like another dimension of space under extreme conditions, the distinction between time and space removed. So, the law of evolution can also determine the initial state. Thus, the universe has spontaneously created itself out of nothing. Then Hawking talks about the two pieces of observational evidence on the probability of life appearing. The first is that we have fossils of algae from 3.5 billion years ago. Life appeared on Earth that was formed 4.6 billion years ago, only after a billion years. As it didn't happen earlier, the probability of life appearing is reasonably high. Here, Hawking emphasizes the crucial role of self replication and primordial soup in the emergence of life that helps us to believe life might have emerged from a mixture of organic molecules in the early Earth's oceans as they can reproduce themselves. As we believe that life arose spontaneously on the Earth, no doubt there are possibilities for life to appear on other suitable planets in the neighboring galaxies. But as we haven't been visited by any aliens so far, and as we haven't heard any radio waves from them, Hawking believes that we are the only civilization within several hundred light years. Hawking is also of the opinion that as our population is growing and as we change the environment with the technical ability, it will be difficult to avoid disaster in the next 100 years. So, our only chance of long term survival is not to remain on planet Earth, but to spread out into space. Thus, through his TED Talk on questioning the universe, Hawking not only gives answers to a few questions but highlights the intriguing possibilities and need for ongoing scientific investigations in the future.